how to clear apps cache and empty trash bin on Samsung phone. So if you need to clear cache in a specific app, I'm going to show you how you can do this right now, as well as clear overall cache on your device. Let's get started. Firstly, we're going to open settings and scroll down till the apps section. And now just go through the list to find app in which you wish to clear cache. Tap on that. And then you're gonna tap on storage under the usage tab. After that, you will see amount of cache, data, and on the bottom you will see options to clear data and clear cache. In my app, it is impossible because I got no cache, so let's just go back in the apps section and find another app in which we can clear cache. I guess in Chrome it will be, So now to clear this amount of cache, we just need to tap clear cache on the bottom. And now we just deleted everything. If you want to, you can also free up some space by clearing data. So you can tap on that option and clear your app's data. And then just go through the apps list here and do this for the apps in which you suppose you got a lot of cache. Now, after that, what else you can do is you can go ahead and find the device care tab. Tap on that and click on storage. Now you should see information about your internal storage. And what we can find here is trash bin, as well as large files, information, duplicate files, and unused apps. So you can free up some space on your device and also speed up your phone by deleting those categories. For example, go in trash, check your apps here. In my case, it is contacts, gallery, and my files. And just select it one by one, click the three dots in the top right, and choose option empty. Then you just need to agree that you're gonna permanently delete 145 files. So tap on that, and after that it will be all cleared up. Now just go in the contacts and here do the same thing. After that, you can also find your large files, and if you don't need this file, then just tap on it and choose delete one file and then go back. The same you can do with your duplicates, so you can choose one and here and delete two duplicate files. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.